These Asian-inspired meatballs with veggies and hoisin dipping sauce is the perfect sheet pan meal. To ensure we get really moist meatballs, I'll start by soaking some bread in some milk. And while that's doing its thing, I'll prep some red pepper slices and then some simple broccoli florets. I'll toss the veg in some oil, sprinkle on some salt and pepper, and then place it on my sheet pan. Now, back to the meatballs. Let's start with the aromatics. I love ginger in this recipe because it adds a pungent, sweet, and fiery flavor. Next up, we have some garlic. About 2 cloves will do. And then to add a little bit more freshness, we'll add some green onions. Now, everything goes into the bowl: the meat, the green onions, ginger, garlic, five spice, and some soy for salt. Now, get in there with your hands. It really is the best way to mix this up. These meatballs are going to get an extra layer of flavor. So to a sheet pan, I'll add some chopped up cilantro and some sesame seeds. Now to portion the meatballs out, I like to use this mini ice cream scoop. The meatballs go on that sheet pan and get rolled in that coating, popped onto the sheet pan and then into the oven until they're cooked. Now, a dipping sauce of mayo, hoisin, sambal oelek, and sesame oil is the perfect accompaniment. Once they're done, you can plate this up and then store any leftover meatballs in the fridge for another day.